Decorating with Barbara. You can do it.
Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I will be doing a little light cleaning. I'm going to decorate the console table in my breakfast area, and then when I'm done, I will share with you how the kitchen looked all cleaned up. So, if you guys have been keeping up with me over the past week, then you know that I had a garage sale. So, this is at the end of day one, and I was met with a very messy kitchen. Now, as tired as I was, I wanted to go ahead and tackle the mess. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I'm really tired and if I sit down and rest, I probably won't do anything for the rest of the evening. So I felt it was important to just go ahead and just jump right in and get it done. And actually, once I got going, I did get a lot of energy, more than I thought I would, and so I did a little bit more than I had expected. And so, yeah, you guys will see how I finished off the kitchen. I went ahead and decorated the hearth room area as well. And even though I was really tired, it felt really good at the end of the evening to just relax in a very clean kitchen. Okay, guys, so that's enough for tonight. I'm going to go ahead and mop, and then tomorrow, after I close the garage sale down, we will decorate. Okay, guys, so now the garage sale is over, and now I'm gonna share how I decorated my sideboard here in the kitchen. And then I'll share how the rest of the kitchen turned out now that it's clean. Okay, so on my sideboard, I usually would have one lamp or two lamps. And so this time I'm using one lamp, and then I'm going to add a floral to the other end for balance. And then I will be adding this vase with these tall olive branches. Okay, so I wanted to show a couple different ways that you can do a console like this. If you like this particular look with the stems on one side and a lamp on the other. You can keep it pretty simple. So here I just have an ornamental ball, an air plant, and another like greenery ball, and then a small little green plant. And you can put whatever. You can do all ornamental balls, whether they are paper mache or metal or what have you. Play around with it and just place things in the bowl until you have something you like. They don't always have to be the exact same thing. I like mixing things up, just doing something that's a little different than you normally see. And so this look is clean and it's simple. So for this next look, I want to use some canvas art that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I can't tell you what it originally looked like, but I did alter it a little bit to match my decor. I think I just added a little bit more white in here. Okay, and as you can see, I placed it on a plate holder next to the lamp, and then I'm going to use a set of books and then layer in some other decor pieces. And then I'm just going to add a candle that has a little bit of color. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and place the bowl on the table, just keeping it very simple since the sideboard is pretty busy. And once again, it is a cloudy day, and so I apologize in advance for the lighting. Hey everyone, so here's how the kitchen turned out, all cleaned up. It's simply decorated, but most importantly, it's clean. So I won't go into a lot of detail today. I will probably come back with another kitchen tour sometime soon. And then I can go into more detail at that time. So I'll share a few pics at the end, and I just want to say thank you for hanging in there with me this weekend. I know I was late with the video, but and I know this cleaning video is not something that I normally do, but this was something that I felt was necessary to do in my home, and I just thought maybe you guys would want to come along. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.